Introducing the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated front seat, keyless start. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.